Changing your profile picture on Tidal is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Tidal app. Launch the Tidal app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the Home tab at the bottom of the screen, then select your profile icon or name at the top right corner to access your profile settings. Step 3. Edit profile. Once in your profile, look for an option that says Edit Profile or a pencil icon. Tap on it to enter the editing mode for your profile. Step 4. Change profile picture. In the edit mode, you should see an option to change your profile picture. Tap on the current picture or the placeholder image to upload a new photo from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button and tap it to update your profile. Now your Tidal profile picture is updated. Enjoy your personalized music experience.